My name is Chan Shuqin with metric number 253015.
My name is Mohamad Firdaus bin Mohamad with metric number 252916.
Our topic is the study of internal and external factors affecting aviation safety. The aviation sector has evolved over the decades. Air accidents can lead to injuries or even death. It affects the image and economy of air travel industry in the region. The safety analysis of civil aviation accidents is an essential but difficult topic. Our objective is to study the internal and external factors that affect the aviation safety. We adopt a qualitative study which utilizes secondary data as our main data source through observations, official documents, annual reports, and review of past research papers. Below are our findings. Internal factors are divided into human factors and mechanical failures. First human factor is the pilot or flight crew error. Human-induced factors such as improper procedure, poor skill, and decision-making are stronger contributors to loss of control in flight accidents. Even it only accounts for 8% of total of 777 aviation accidents, but causing 2,462 fatalities from 2009 to 2018. Abrupt maneuver describes the intentional abrupt control movement of the aircraft requiring skill by the flight crew. Recent reports shows there is an increasing trend in abrupt maneuver accidents. Crash of American Airlines Flight 587 causing 260 fatalities was believed caused by unnecessary and excessive rudder pedal control by the pilot, lead to the vertical stabilizer separated from its position. Air traffic control ATC error. Study shows that requiring a greater number of items in one radio communication will significantly affect the pilot's communication performance. Other reasons include controller fatigue due to high workloads and staffing shortage, and the increase in air traffic volume. Lastly is the mechanical and system failures. Even safety inspections are carried out before a flight, there is a risk where replacement of part may not fit and work properly. Below is the chart showing system or component malfunction accidents from recent years. The crash of Pakistan International Airlines Flight 661 that took 47 lives found that a fracture pin caused by improper reassembly during the maintenance activity had contributed to a complex combination of technical malfunction which finally led to the accidents.
Internal factor are divided into two: environment factor and foreign object damage (FOD). Meteorological and geographical factor will give impact to the pilot behavior. Mountain flight condition will improve in the morning with more cloud and heavy wind, mostly in the afternoon. For example, accident in the crash of Turkish Airlines Flight 6491 that took 39 lives in Kazakhstan. Natural climate have an effect on aircraft and airport facilities. Volcanic activity, including aircraft-related environmental events. Weather effect. Aviation service are extremely depending on the climate or weather, which may lead to the pilot failure and impact on the ground or other aircraft. For example, ash rain and wind flight. Below are the chart showing the case for wind, chill and thunderstorm, doubling, air counter and icing. Altitude effect. At a low altitude, air density rise and reduce aircraft performance, and air density decrease at a high altitude and air performance decrease. Air density and altitude have a significant effect on an aircraft efficiency and engine performance. Airframe damage classified under FOD as higher propensity to knock down the wing of the aircraft, result in the awful impact and performance, such as skinty and significant damage to the wing shaft. Below of the showing fire or smoke accident for non-impact and post-impact. Next is fuel efficiency. FOD tend to minimize the unstable output of the engine. The blades are paired and fuel consumption increase slightly. Lastly are the bird strike. The bird strike problem is not entirely resolved. They can and do present damage, and radar technology should be built to help airport to reduce and avoid long-term bird strike. Our research impact is the understanding aviation safety become crucial not only to industry-related parties but also to the public. Our research provide a clear insight to the public regarding to the factor affecting aviation safety.
The conclusion is, internal factors, especially human factors, are found significantly affects aviation safety. External factors such as weather can increase the probability of other factors, and FOD has a more profound negative effect on flight performance.